that's all I can see is nothing. I can't see anything either. This is a highway. We're on a freaking highway right now. We are driving to Portland Airport to pick up Ariel's mother, and she's coming to visit. But it just so happens that it is the biggest storm of the winter right now, and we have to drive in it. So this should be fun.
All you can see is nothing.
Well, that's all I can see is nothing. I can't see anything either. This is a highway. We're on a freaking highway right now, and I feel like I'm in a pinball machine. I get a little close to the middle barrier, then I'm like, oh crap, I'll drive over the other side, and I get close to that barrier. This is scary.
Not see a thing. How's the drive?
It's interesting, scary, cool, snowy, icy.
It's pretty.
Good choice on the hotel, babe. Ghetto.
Stuff inside.
We made it to Portland, and we are staying in a ghetto as hotel out near the airport. And check this out, the place is a dump. No carpet, nothing. Tape. I guess you could say it snowed a little bit last night, and it's quite the winter wonderland out here today in Portland. Might have to put the chains on.
You know, at first.
Here we are. Made it to Packwood. What's up? Yeah. This is more my style, huh? Oh yeah, nice comfy bed. Yeah.
And it's much warmer here.
Yeah. Good morning. We are in Packwood. Just about to leave our hotel, head up to the mountain. Apparently there's, oh, my lip is so dry. Apparently there's lots of powder up there, so we're excited. We drove through the craziest storm 2 nights ago from Tri-Cities to Portland. Insanest storm I've ever drove in my life. And we stayed in Portland. It snowed all night. Snowed yesterday. Then we drove out here to Packwood, to the Packwood Lodge. Stayed here last night. We're gonna go snowboarding today and stay here tonight, and then ride tomorrow, because this is the biggest storm that we've had this winter, and I think the mountain is going to be really, really good. Lots of powder, lots of fun. So we're going to head up there now and go snowboarding. baby lift.